If you're getting low marks, are you feeling demotivated? Hi, how to improve scores while practicing multiple choice questions? We all have the desire to score as many marks as possible in a given test or while we're practicing any number of multiple choice questions. So how to improve the score? So that will be the focus of this video. I hope you guys are all doing great. So let's go ahead. First and foremost, it's all about practice, and practice. Practicing as many questions as possible per day. On daily basis, like you can practice 10 questions, or you can practice 100 questions, or you can practice 1000 questions. No matter how many questions you're practicing, practice is the key. You can use a compliance report, check out the status of number of multiple choice questions you have been practicing on daily basis as well as weekly basis, and help yourself improve in the process, especially when it comes to multiple choice questions practice. Practice makes man or woman perfect. There is a saying, right? Perfection might be a myth. I personally consider that as a form of illusion. Keeping aside perfection, we can all achieve mastery through practice. So that's the beauty of practice. And coming to the point, how to improve score? So first and foremost, it's very important that you analyze your mistakes. So what mistakes have you committed in a particular test, or while you practiced some set number of multiple choice questions, you might have done some mistakes. So why have you done those mistakes? So is it because you have no idea about the topic, or is it because you have confusion between two options, or is it because you couldn't recollect information from your memory, or is it because of time constraints? What is the reason? Depending upon the reason, you can work on that and improvise accordingly. For suppose, if you have confusion between two options, or if you're not confident like which option might be a more appropriate answer, all you need to do is refer standard literature, prepare notes, and as I said, most importantly, you should rely on standard references, standard resources to get accurate information which enhances your confidence. If in case like you have difficulty in recollecting a certain topic from your memory, right? All you need to do is revise your notes, revise the content which you already have, especially during early morning hours and also during or before your sleep, because studies have shown that once you revise something, especially memory-based topics, before you sleep, there will be better consolidation of memory during your sleep. Helps you enhance your retention ability as well. So keep these factors in mind. And along with that, if you are not able to score well because of time constraints, right? You have, like, you're taking up a test in a test series, you're not able to complete a particular number of questions in a given time slot, which means with repeated practice, you'll improve the pace as well. So depending upon the issue you're facing, or you can identify these issues. And also, I also wanted to highlight this. If you know that you have done a mistake in a particular question, just because you haven't read that entire question, including all the options properly, it's high time that you get used to this practice of going through entire question, including all the options, at least twice. This is very, very important, because often the moment we come across first two options, we think there is answer in that and we might land ourselves in soup. So it's very important that we go through the entire question, including all options, not once but twice. Remember, no matter how much you score, what really matters is, are you learning something from that multiple choice question? Are you learning something from that particular test? If yes is the answer to this question, then you need not worry about your scores or marks, because ultimately it's all about enhancing your knowledge, enhancing your memory, enhancing your professional life, so that you would do great things in your professional career and serve the society. That's the bigger picture which should always be in your mind. So as long as you're learning from a particular test or from a particular MCQ, you have nothing to worry about. Improvement takes time, learning takes time. Just be patient and focus on giving your best. That's it, right? And before I started this video, I might have asked you this question, like, if you're getting low marks, are you feeling demotivated? See, if you're getting low marks, you have two options. Either you can feel demotivated and give up your preparation, or take it as a form of stress, that's up to you, but you have another option, that is taking that as a stimulus, taking that as an opportunity to learn, improvise, and you can keep giving your best. Ultimately, it's all about enhancing one's knowledge and using it for greater good. I hope this video is helpful. Wish you all the best. Love you all.